Number 1. Everest Base Camp Trek, EBC. The Everest Base Camp Trek is Nepal's most iconic trek, taking you through the legendary Khumbu region. You'll walk alongside soaring peaks, visit Sherpa villages like Namche Bazar, and explore ancient monasteries such as Tengboke. The trail offers stunning views of Metricton, Everest, Lhotse, and Ama Dablam. Along the way, trekkers experience local mountain culture and high-altitude landscapes. The journey starts with a scenic flight to Lukla and takes around 12 to 14 days. Best visited in spring or autumn, it's a challenging but unforgettable adventure to the foot of the world's highest mountain. Number 2. Annapurna Circuit Trek. The Annapurna Circuit is one of the most diverse treks in Nepal, circling the massive Annapurna range. Trekkers pass through tropical forests, alpine meadows, and barren highlands, crossing the famous Thorong La Pass, 5,416 meters. The trail includes scenic villages like Manang and offers dramatic views of Annapurna, Dhaulagiri, and Nilgiri. You'll experience varied cultures, from Hindu communities in the lower hills to Tibetan-style villages in the highlands. It takes about 15 to 18 days and is best done from March to May or September to November. Number 3. Langtang Valley Trek. Langtang Valley Trek is a peaceful journey north of Kathmandu, ideal for those seeking scenic beauty and cultural depth in a short time. The trail passes through Langtang National Park, filled with forests, waterfalls, and wildlife. Trekkers explore Tamang villages like Langtang and Kyanjin Gompa, surrounded by snowy peaks and glaciers. With views of Langtang Lirung, 7,227 meters, and easy access from the capital, it's perfect for a 7 to 10 day escape. Spring and autumn are the best seasons for clear skies and blooming landscapes. Number 4. Mardi Himal Trek. Mardi Himal Trek is a short and serene trek in the Annapurna region, offering close-up views of Machapuchre, Fishtail, Annapurna South, and Hunchali. The trail winds through quiet forests, ridgelines, and alpine meadows, making it perfect for beginners or those seeking solitude. With fewer trekkers and cozy tea houses, it feels peaceful and personal. The trek takes around 5 to 7 days and is best done from March to May or September to November for crystal clear mountain views. Number 5. Manaslu Circuit Trek. The Manaslu Circuit is a remote and challenging trek that circles Metricton, Manaslu, 8,163 meters, the world's 8th highest mountain. Less crowded than Everest or Annapurna, the trail features Tibetan-style villages, dense forests, and the dramatic Lark La Pass, 5,106 meters. Trekkers need a special permit and must go with a licensed guide. This 14 to 18 day trek is ideal for adventure seekers looking for raw natural beauty and cultural richness. Best done in spring and autumn, it's a true Himalayan wilderness experience. Number 6. Gosekunda Trek. The Gosekunda Trek leads to a sacred alpine lake nestled at 4,380 meters in the Langtang region. Revered by Hindus and Buddhists, Gosekunda is believed to have been created by Lord Shiva. The trail passes through Tamang villages, rhododendron forests, and high ridges offering views of Langtang and Ganesh Himal. The trek takes 4 to 6 days and is especially popular during the Janai Purnima festival in August. It's perfect for both spiritual pilgrims and nature lovers, with best conditions from March, May, and October. Number 7. Upper Mustang Trek. Upper Mustang offers a unique trekking experience through the former Kingdom of Lo, resembling the Tibetan Plateau. This restricted region requires a special permit and is best visited between May and October. The trail leads through Lo Manthang, desert valleys, red cliffs, and cave monasteries, offering a rare look into Tibetan Buddhist culture and ancient Himalayan life. Unlike other treks, Upper Mustang lies in the rain shadow, so it remains dry even during monsoon season. The 10 to 14-day trek is cultural, scenic, and spiritual all at once. Number 8. Tilicho Lake Trek. Tilicho Lake is one of the highest lakes in the world, situated at an altitude of 4,919 meters in the Annapurna region. This trek is a beautiful side trip from the Annapurna circuit, passing through Manang and climbing towards the mesmerizing turquoise lake surrounded by glaciers and towering peaks. The trail is challenging due to steep ascents and high altitude, but the views are unmatched. Best visited in April, June, and September, November, it's a bucket list trek for thrill seekers and nature lovers. Number 9. Rara Lake Trek. Located in the remote far west of Nepal, Rara Lake is the country's largest and most pristine freshwater lake. At an altitude of 2,990 meters, the lake lies within Rara National Park, known for pine forests, snow-capped mountains, and rare wildlife like red pandas and Himalayan black bears. The trek usually starts from Jumla and takes around 8 to 10 days. It's less crowded, offering complete peace and stunning natural beauty. April to June and September to October are the best times to visit. Number 10. Poon Hill Trek. Poon Hill is one of Nepal's most popular short treks, perfect for beginners and families. Located in the Annapurna region, the trail offers a cultural walk through Gurung and Magar villages, lush forests, and terraced hillsides. The main highlight is the early morning hike to Poon Hill, 3,210 meters, for a panoramic Sunrise view of Annapurna, Dhaulagiri, and Machapuchre. The trek takes just 3 to 5 days and can be done year-round, though spring and autumn offer the clearest views. And there you have it, Nepal's top 10 trekking destinations, each with its own beauty, culture, and unforgettable moments. Which trek will you explore next? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Traveling Lord for more detailed guides, travel tips, and adventure stories from across Nepal. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and namaste.